Okay, so now our space themed Scratch looks a bit more spacey. We've got a background, we've got a spaceship, and our spaceship is now moving down. I've decided to leave my change Y by -2. Okay, we're going to move on to our next task, which is moving the spaceship left and right. But before we do that, would be a good time now to save our work. Now, saving your work in Scratch when you're online is slightly different. You're going to go up to File, and you'll notice there isn't a save button there. It's either upload from your computer or download to your computer. We're going to press the one that says download to your computer because we're taking it down from the internet, so we're going download to your computer. Now again, Mr. Moore is going to save all of his work on the desktop. However, you are going to save yours in P drive in the Year 5 17-18 folder. Okay, I'd like you all to call your project Scratch in space. I'd like you to call it L1 after that for lesson 1, and then put in your initials. So everyone do that. Save your work. Click on save, and it should save. And you'll know it's been saved because this will have changed in here. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let Miss Margaret pause the video, and then when she unpauses it, it'll be ready for the next step. So save your work, file, download to your computer. Okay, hopefully now most of you have saved your work, or all of you have saved your work. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at making our rocket move left to right. So we're going to go and find our good friend the if key. Now I want my rocket to move left when I press the left arrow, and to move right when I press the right arrow. Okay, so I'm going to put an if in there. We need a sensing block in there, and we're looking at the key pressed button because I want my rocket to move when the key is pressed. So I'm going to start by doing the left hand key, so I'm going to change that to the left arrow. Okay, now when we were making the ship go down, we were changing the y-axis. When we are changing moving the ship left to right, we're actually looking at the x-axis. So we're going to go to motion, and we're going to go to the change x. So we're going to go change x, and if I press play, it starts going down. Now I'm going to press the left arrow, but I'm moving to the right. Now that is because the x-axis goes positive this way, going to the right, and then it goes negative to the left. So instead of putting change x by 10, I'm going to try and time -10. So let's try that. So it's going down, and then when I press left, it goes left. Okay. Now, I've only done one key here. I would like you to do the other one. I don't want you to put in all the commands again. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to right click on the if, click duplicate, pop this on the end, and then I want you to change these things so that you can get the right arrow, and so that when you press the right arrow, the ship moves to the right. That's your next task. Off you go.